Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. It's your prop trading guru here, and today we have an exciting topic to discuss. Funded Trading Plus and their updated offerings. If you're looking for a prop trading firm that supports traders globally, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about Funded Trading Plus, including their funding programs, key features, and how you can maximize your trading potential. So stick around for a special discount code at the end. Let's dive right in. 1. What is Funded Trading Plus? Established in November 2021, Funded Trading Plus is quickly becoming a leader in the proprietary trading firm industry. Global reach. They attract traders from all corners of the globe, offering them unique opportunities. Funded Trading Plus is an emerging player in the prop trading world, dedicated to supporting traders with various funding options. 2. Funding Programs Overview. Funded Trading Plus offers 4 unique funding programs. 1. Experienced Trader Program. 2. Advanced Trader Program. 3. Premium Trader Program. 4. Master Trader Program. Each program caters to different trader skill levels and objectives, making it easier for you to find a suitable fit. 3. Detailed breakdown of each program. 1. Experienced Trader Program. A leverage, 130. Profit target, 10%. Daily loss limit, 3%. Withdrawal rules. Payouts can be requested after a profit of $50 once a week. Profit split. Starts at 80%, can scale to 90%. This program allows flexibility in trading, with no minimum or maximum trading day requirements. 2. Advanced Trader Program. A leverage, 130. Phase 1 profit target, 10%. Phase 2 profit target, 5%. Daily loss limit, 5%. Withdrawal rules, same as above. Similar to the Experienced Trader Program, but with slightly stricter loss limits. 3. Premium Trader Program. A leverage, 130. Phase 1 profit target, 8%. Phase 2 profit target, 5%. Daily loss limit, 4%. This program offers balanced risk management with attractive profit-sharing options. 4. Master Trader Program. A leverage, 130. No evaluation required. Traders can start earning immediately. Profit split. Ranges from 70% to 90%. This program is ideal for experienced traders looking to bypass the evaluation process and start trading right away. 4. Key features of Funded Trading Plus. Straightforward rules. Each program has clear and attainable objectives, making it easier for traders to succeed. Diverse trading instruments. Trade forex, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Education and support. Funded Trading Plus is an extension of Trade Room Plus, offering extensive educational resources. Funded Trading Plus provides a well-structured and supportive environment for traders of all levels. 5. Community and support. Trustpilot rating. Funded Trading Plus boasts an impressive rating of 4.9/5, reflecting positive feedback from the trading community. Active Discord community. Join the community to see payment proofs, share experiences, and learn from other traders. Being part of the Funded Trading Plus community offers valuable networking opportunities and support. And there you have it. Funded Trading Plus is a strong contender in the prop trading industry, offering flexible programs and an excellent support system. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe for more insights.